Namo Namaha. Swagatam. In this video, we will learn how to ask and answer the question whose, kasya. So we will learn about possessives. Whose is this pen? It is Rama's. That cat is Radha's, and so on. This in Sanskrit is known as ṣaṣṭī vibhaktiḥ. In English, it's called the ablative form. We will remember it as ṣaṣṭī vibhaktiḥ. In this video, we will learn only about masculine and neuter words. We will learn about the feminine words in the next video. We already know the following possessive forms. My or mine is mama. For example, my name is Lakshmi. Mama nama Lakshmi. Your, to a boy, bhavatah. Bhavatah nama kim, to a boy. What is your name? Your, to a female or a girl, bhavatyaha. Bhavatyaha lekhani kutra asti. Where is your pen? And we are asking a girl. Now when we don't want to be gender specific, we can use the word tava, which means your, and we can use this for either a boy or a girl. So this is something we have already learned earlier. Now let's learn how to answer saying this is Rama's, this is the leaves, and so on. So we are going to answer the question kasya. Kasya means whose, kasya. And we will be looking at masculine and neuter words. First, let's look at masculine words. We already know how to say he is. When he is far away, saha. And when he is close by, eshaha. We learnt this in our second video. If you don't remember it, make sure you watch that video again. I'll put the link for that video in the description below. So when we have he is far away and you want to say his, so this is a person who is far away and you want to say his, you will say tasya. Tasya, he's far away. If he's close by, we say etasya, his, and he's close by, etasya. For example, if I want to say his spoon, this is his spoon and he is far away, I will say eshaha tasya chamasaha. Tasya chamasaha. Tasya means he is far away. Etasya janani, his mother, he is close by. Etasya janani. Tasya chamasaha, he is far away. Tasya, he is close by. Etasya. His, far away. Tasya. His, close by. Etasya. Now how do I say Rama's, Krishna's, Balarama's, and so on? So masculine words that end in a, like Krishna, Balarama, Rama, Keshava, and so on, the sya gets added at the end. So Krishna plus sya, Krishnasya, which means Krishna's. Balarama, Balaramasya, which means Palaramas, correct. Asanda, asandasya, the chairs. Very good. Gaja, gaja means elephant. Elephants, gajasya, elephant's tusk. Gajasya dantaha. Keshava, keshavasya. So if I want to say Keshava's hair, I will say Keshavasya keshaha. Very nice. Chamasa, spoon. Spoons, chamasasya. Chamasasya varnaha pitaha. The spoon's color is yellow. Just as masculine words ending in a get sya added at the end, words that end in e, the e changes to ehe. So for example, hari becomes harehe, harehe. The e changes to ehe. Hari's, hari, harehe. Ravi, Ravi means the sun. Ravehe. We all know the verse Harer Nama, Harer Nama, Harer Nama Iva Kevalam. Now Harer is actually Harehe. Harehe Nama, Hari's name, Hari's name, Hari's name only. Harer Nama, Harer Nama, Harehe Nama, Harehe Nama, Harehe Namaiva Kevalam. Now why does it become Harer? We'll learn about that much later, okay? So right now just remember Harehe means Hari's. Words, masculine words that end in U, like Guru. The U changes to Oho. Guru. Gurus becomes Guroho. Bhanu, which also means the sun, becomes Bhanoho. Vande Guroho Shri Charanara Vindam. So we sing every morning. In Mangalarati, we say Vande Guroh Shri Charanara Vindam. We should not say Vande Guru. Okay? Guru means Guru is. Guroho means gurus. Okay? Now let's look at some examples. Whose cat is that? Now remember, go back to the rule. Okay? Rule number 1. What is the sentence talking about? What is the subject? Subject is cat. What is cat in Sanskrit? Bidalaha. Now translate. That cat. Saha bidalaha. Whose cat is that? Saha kasya bidalaha. Does that make sense? Try the next one. I have 4 more sentences here. What you can do is pause the video and try translating these sentences. The first is, that is the monkey's banana. This is my father's book. This is his house and he is far away. Okay? This is his house. That is your mother. Try translating it. The next slide has the answers. Let's see how you did. So remember, follow the rules that we've already learned when it comes to translating sentences into Sanskrit. Let's look at, we already saw whose cat is that. Saha kasya bidalaha. The second sentence, that is the monkey's banana. So what are we talking about? What is the subject? Banana. That banana. Banana is kadali phalam. Now what is it? Masculine, feminine or neuter? neuter. So that banana, tat kadali phalam. That is the monkey's banana. Tat vanarasya kadali phalam. This is my father's book. Subject, book. In Sanskrit, pustakam. Gender, neuter. This is. Etat pustakam. This is my father's. Mama janakasya pustakam. Etat mama janakasya pustakam. This is his house and he is far away. This is his house. Subject, house. In Sanskrit, griham. Gender, neuter. This house. Etat griham. And whose is it? His. He is far away. So the word for that is tasya. Etat tasya griham. That is your mother. And I'm telling a boy. And this is something we know from before. Okay, let's go through this, the steps again. The first step, what is the subject? Mother. Mother in Sanskrit, janani. That, mother. Sa, janani. Your to a boy, bhavatah. Sa, bhavatah, janani. Or sa, tava janani, if you want to go gender neutral. Okay, so that is your mother. So remember, bhavatah, bhavan becomes bhavatah, whereas all the other words that end in a get the sya added to them. Now let's look at neuter words. If I want to say it's, and it is close by, etat. If I want to say it's, it becomes etasya. It's, tat, and tat is far away, tasya. So as you can see, there is no difference between masculine and neuter. In masculine as well, when he's far away and we want to say his, we say tasya. When he's close by, we say etasya. The same thing for neuter words. And similar to the masculine words, neuter words ending in a get the sya added at the end. For example, patram. Patra becomes patrasya. Parna, parnasya. Jala, jalasya. Hima, himasya. Hima means snow. Himasya varnaha, shvetaha. The color of snow is white. Patrasya varnaha, pitaha. The color of the leaf is yellow. Parnasya varnaha, haritaha. The color of the leaf is green. Etasya jalasya varnaha, raktaha. The color of this water is red. The difference is with neuter words ending in I and U. If it ends in I or U, nah is added at the end. This is for neuter words. Okay. Nah. With masculine words, it was ehe and oho, harehe and guroho. Here with neuter words, it's just nah. Vari, varinaha. Shuchi, Shuchinaha. Vari means water. Shuchi means pure. Madhu. Madhunaha. Madhu means honey. Honeys. Madhunaha. Ashru means tear. Ashrunaha. Tears. Varinaha. Varnaha. Neelaha. The color of the water is blue. Madhunaha swadaha madhuram. The taste of honey is sweet. Now here are some examples. There are 5 sentences given, and you can try translating them from Sanskrit to English. The word is kamalam. Kamalam means lotus. Kamalasya patram asti. The second one, upanetram. Upanetram, you know, is spectacles. Mama upanetrasya kachakaha nasti. Third, jalam. Jalasya varnaha raktaha. Fourth, phalam. Phalam means fruit. Bhavataha phalasya varnaha haritaha. Pustakam. Pustakasya nama Bhagavad Gita asti. Try translating these sentences by pausing the video here. The next slide has the answers. Here are the answers. Kamalasya patram asti. The lotus has a leaf. Mama upanetrasya kachakaha nasti. My spectacles glass is not there, meaning my specs does not have a glass. Jalasya varnaha raktaha. The water's color is red. That is, the color of the water is red. So normally in English, we have a particular way of saying a sentence. So while we translate it into correct English as well. Bhavataha phalasya varnaha haritaha. The color of your fruit is green. We can also say your fruit's color is green. Pustakasya nama Bhagavad Gita asti. The book's name is Bhagavad Gita. Now here's a concept that you need to keep at the back of your mind. We know that in a sentence, certain words go together. For example, that is my house. So that and house indicate the same object. That is my house. So both that and house will have the same gender. We know that, right? So if I want to say that is my house, I will say, what is the subject? House. House, griham. Griham gender, neuter. That house. Tat griham. So the word tat griham goes together. Now, words that go together, if one of those words changes into ṣaṣṭī vibhakti or any other vibhakti, the other word will also change in the same way. So for example, if I now want to say that house, the color of that house is red. So that house, tat griham. Okay, that house's color is red. That house's griham becomes grihasya. It cannot be tat grihasya. It will become tasya grihasya. Varnaha raktaha. That boy's pen. That boy. Saha balakaha. That boy's is balakasya. But it cannot be saha balakasya. Tasya balakasya lekhani. This spectacle's color. This spectacle. Etat upanetram. Spectacles upanetrasya. It cannot remain etat upanetrasya. It will become etasya upanetrasya varnaha. So this is something that you need to keep in mind. So just as you have birds of a feather flock together, now these words that flock together will always change together. Now we have learned earlier how to say he who is, yah. Now the possessive form of yah, yasya. Now yah is usually followed by sah, or yat for neuter is followed by tat. Similarly, yasya is followed by tasya. It is also followed by saha or tat. Now for example, yasya prasadat bhagavat prasado. We sing that every morning. So yasya. Now another example here is yasya prasadat Shri Krishnaha labhate tasya charanaravindam vande. Yasya prasadat, by whose mercy, he by whose mercy, Shri Krishnaha labhate, Shri Krishna is obtained. Tasya, his, charanaravindam, lotus feet, vande, I worship. I worship the lotus feet of he by whose mercy Krishna is obtained. Yasya murali cha barahapidaha cha staha saha Krishnaha. Yasya, one who possesses. What does he possess? Murali, a flute, and cha barahapidaha, a wreath of peacock feathers. Cha and staha, remember asti, staha, santi. So here there are two items, murali and barahapidaha. Yasya murali cha barahapidaha cha staha saha Krishnaha. He is Krishna. So one who possesses a flute and a wreath of peacock feathers is Krishna. Don't worry about these complicated sentences yet. These are just examples. But you will soon be able to translate such sentences by yourself. Isn't that exciting? Thank you for joining me in this video, where we have learned the ṣaṣṭī vibhaktiḥ, or possessive forms for masculine and neuter words. In our next video, we will learn the ṣaṣṭī vibhaktiḥ, or the possessive form for feminine words. Till then, Namo Namaha.